A Moment That Matters with Dr. Jon Roebuck.
Ever been to Bethlehem? I have, but it was a long time ago. I was just a teenager, but I remember it well. I remember the lush rolling hills around the town. I remember the sheep grazing on those hillsides. I remember a feeling of peace and solitude. Those memories have always helped me to contextualize what the shepherds may have experienced all those many years ago when the angels appeared and told them of the Savior's birth. I find it interesting that the most glorious news that God ever shared was told to a group of common men standing on the hillside of a very out-of-the-way setting. It's a reminder that God's gift of the Messiah is not just for the powerful and the mighty, but also for the poor and the simple and everyone in between. Christ came as a gift to each of us, unexpected and undeserved. As we celebrate Christmas later this week, let's be excited that there's a gift for each of us.